What's up, guys? It's your girl Dee Dee. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I have for you is a jumbo twist. What I'm showing you right now is a list of products that I did use to complete this look. I do want to inform you guys that only about 2 to 2.5 packs of hair was used to complete this look. You can purchase your hair as well as all of the supplies from your local beauty supply store. Also, guys, keep in mind the system that was used to complete this look is the rubber band method. I am going to show you a detailed description about how the actual extension was applied. Keep in mind, guys, once you apply the extension to your hair, the way that you twist it is totally up to you. The look will be the same. Also, guys, I will not show you, but I did dip the hair after it was completed. So just keep that in mind. Also, guys, I do want to encourage you just to continue to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know any other videos that you would like to see, and I'll be more than happy to post. Thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned. So what I want to do is explain how to apply the extension using the rubber band method. So what you want to do is section off your hair into square patches or square pieces. Once you've done that, you want to evenly divide your hair, either using a horizontal part, a vertical, or a diagonal part. Once you've done that, you just want to make sure your scalp is exposed. Once your scalp is exposed, you will then take a piece of your extension hair and lay it across your scalp. Once you've done that, you want to then join your 2 strands of natural hair back together so that they're facing each other almost like a sandwich. And then you want to take a rubber band and tie it around your natural hair. Once you do that, and you feel comfortable with the tightness of your rubber band, then you want to take 1 strand of your natural hair and 1 strand of your extension hair and hold them together. You should have 1 strand of your natural and extension in one hand and 1 strand of your natural and extension in the other hand. And then you will begin to twist. Guys, I do have to advise, in order for these twists to hold, if you're using straight canicaline hair or straight braiding hair, you will need to apply some sort of adhesive or bonding agent. In this video, what we used was jam. We also used beeswax. It is totally up to you, whatever product works best for your hair. Again, guys, what you want to do, section off your hair into a square piece. Once that's done, you want to evenly divide your hair so that your scalp is exposed, and then take and apply your extension to your scalp. Combine your 2 strands of natural hair and wrap them around. I do want to point out, guys, there were an instance where the rubber bands were showing through the twist. I did go back and recorrect those. So give yourself a good pat on the back for all of your hard work and your efforts. Thank you again, guys, for subscribing to my channel and continue to watch. I do want to encourage those who have not joined to please subscribe, like, share, and give a thumbs up. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and I'll be more than happy to post them. Until next time, guys.